Today, let's keep going up the black keys into the key of G flat. Flats can sound scary, but let me show you how many nameless black key songs that we all know, and an easy improvisation idea that sounds a little bit jazzy. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music, particularly on piano, here every Thursday. I would love for you to subscribe if you enjoy the content, and a thumbs up is always the best compliment. To kick off, let's play 3 nameless black key ditties and see if you recognize them. If you know any other pieces like these, then flick me a comment below. Now for some beautiful jazz sounds on piano, let's look at 2 main patterns. I'm not going to go into the theory detail of pentatonic, major 7, 9 and 11s today. I'll just share what patterns to do so that we don't get bogged down. Let's get into it. Let's start on our G flat down the bottom here. So we'll roll over with this left hand up to our 10 note over the top. Play around with the right hand, stepping anywhere on the black keys because that's the pentatonic notes. They will all match. Here we go. Then to the second chord. Let's go to any notes of the E chord, E, G sharp and B in the right hand, and our left hand we can roll over as well to the 9 and 10 notes there based from our E. So E, B, E, F sharp, G sharp there in your left hand. Right hand can then step down the black keys or play one of the chordal notes as they will all match as well. Here we go again. So for that first part, with the 2 patterns, we can just keep swapping them out, stepping up and down in our melody, wherever the wind blows. We then could build in a contrasting section to our improvisation. We could go down to the E flat minor notes. So E flat, G flat, B flat. And then maybe to a G flat. If we don't want it to be as strong and sounding like we're ending, we could go to a G flat on a B flat, just stepping up in the left hand, and then back to E flat minor again. And then when we're ready to swing it back around, we can go to a D flat, maybe suspended 4 with a D flat, G flat, A flat there in the right hand. Could resolve to the F if we want it, and then lead back to our G flat again. Let's have a play and see what you can make up. Thanks so much for joining me today. Happy music making, and catch you next time. Ta-da!